Billy Parker with the kill. Point, Warriorettes. Winfrey to serve. Hawkins with the kill. Point, Wildcats. Mohammed back in for Wilson Central. Farrell to serve. Norris with the block. Point, Warriorettes.
Keep swinging.
Point back in on the front row. Norvell to serve for White County. Point, Wilson Central. Emerson Moore back in for Wilson Central. She'll serve. Mohammed and Ware on the block for Wilson Central. Point. Moore to serve. Moore to serve. Service error on point, White County. Selby Swindle checking in for White County. Swindle to serve. Parker with the kill. Point, Warriorettes. Swindle to serve. Net violation. Point, Warriorettes. Timeout, Wilson Central. To serve. Tigers on point, Wilson Central. Kenzie Cooper back in for Wilson Central. Cooper will serve. Service here on point, White County. Lily Parker to serve. Service error, point, Wilson Central. Service error on point, White County. Stepping back in for White County, Kyra Fox to serve. Net violation against the Warriorettes. Point, Wildcats. Hawkins back in for Central. Tucker to serve. Pass is on, point. Wilson Central. Tucker to serve. Selby with a lead shot. Point. Warriors. Swindle and Norris checking back in for the Warriors. Serving at number 21. Maya Jo Swindle. Farrell with the kill. Point. Simple.
Go, Vanessa!
Ware back in for Central. Vanessa Ford in order to serve. Stemming with the kill. Point. Warriors. Serving for White Hilliard, Lucilla Kate Winfrey. Game point. Service here on point. Wilson Central. Farrell to serve. Yes. We're tied at 24. White Hilliard. Red Lions in the goal. Game 2 goes 26-24 to Wilson Central.